Hello, everyone.
Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast.
Today, we will learn 100 more useful English words.
These are words 101 through 200.
This lesson is perfect for beginners.
Here's how we will practice.
I will say the English word.
Then I will read one simple example sentence.
Listen carefully.
Repeat the word after him.
Then listen to the sentence.
Repeat the sentence with me.
The more you listen,
The more confident your English will become.
are you ready?
Let's begin.
Word 101.
Let's start learning.
Home.
I am happy to be home.
House.
Their house is very big.
Apartment.
She lives in an apartment.
Room.
My room is clean.
Bedroom.
The bedroom has a large window.
Bathroom.
The bathroom is upstairs.
Kitchen.
My mother is cooking in the kitchen.
Living room.
We watch TV in the living room.
Dining room.
The family eats in the dining room.
Garage.
The car is in the garage.
Garden.
The flowers grow in the garden.
Yard.
The children play in the yard.
Door.
Please close the door.
Window.
Open the window, please.
Wall.
There is a picture on the wall.
Floor.
The floor is very clean.
Ceiling.
The ceiling is white.
Roof.
The roof needs repair.
Stairs.
Walk carefully on the stairs.
Hallway.
The hallway is long.
Chair.
Please sit on the chair.
Table.
The books are on the table.
Desk.
My computer is on the desk.
Sofa.
We are sitting on the sofa.
Bed.
I go to bed at 10 o'clock.
Pillow.
My pillow is very soft.
Blanket.
The blanket keeps me warm.
Lamp.
Turn on the lamp.
Clock.
The clock shows 8 o'clock.
Mirror.
I look in the mirror every morning.
Television.
We watch television every evening.
Remote.
Where is the remote?
Computer.
I use my computer every day.
Laptop.
My laptop is very fast.
Phone.
My phone is ringing.
Charger.
I need my phone charger.
Fan.
The fan keeps the room cool.
Air conditioner.
The air conditioner is on.
Heater.
The heater keeps us warm.
Refrigerator.
The milk is in the refrigerator.
Freezer.
The ice cream is in the freezer.
Microwave.
Heat the food in the microwave.
Oven.
The cookies are in the oven.
Stove.
The soup is cooking on the stove.
Sink.
Wash your hands in the sink.
Faucet.
Turn off the faucet.
Dish.
Please wash the dishes.
Plate.
Put the food on the plate.
Bowl.
The soup is in the bowl.
Cup.
Would you like a cup of tea?
Glass.
Please bring me a glass of water.
Bottle.
The bottle is full of juice.
Spoon.
I eat soup with a spoon.
Fork.
Use a fork for the salad.
Knife.
Be careful with the knife.
Cook.
I like to cook dinner.
Clean.
Please clean your room.
Wash.
Wash your hands before eating.
Dry.
Dry the dishes with a towel.
Sweep.
Sweep the kitchen floor.
Mop.
Mop the floor after dinner.
Vacuum.
I vacuum the carpet every week.
Dust.
Dust the shelves carefully.
Laundry.
I do the laundry every Sunday.
Clothes.
My clothes are clean.
Shirt.
He is wearing a blue shirt.
Pants.
These pants are comfortable.
Dress.
She bought a beautiful dress.
Jacket.
Wear your jacket outside.
Shoes.
My shoes are new.
Socks.
My socks are white.
Hat.
He is wearing a black hat.
Brush.
Brush your hair every morning.
Comb.
I use a comb every day.
Toothbrush.
Use your toothbrush twice a day.
Toothpaste.
Put toothpaste on the toothbrush.
Soap.
Wash your hands with soap.
Shampoo.
I use shampoo every morning.
Towel.
Dry your face with a towel.
Wake up.
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
Get up.
I get up early every day.
Make the bed.
I make the bed every morning.
Take a shower.
I take a shower before work.
Brush my teeth.
I brush my teeth twice a day.
Get dressed.
I get dressed quickly.
Eat breakfast.
We eat breakfast together.
Leave home.
I leave home at 7.
Come home.
I come home at 5 o'clock.
Rest.
I rest after dinner.
Read.
I read a book every night.
Study.
She studies English every evening.
Write.
Please write your name here.
Listen.
Listen carefully to the teacher.
Watch.
We watch TV after dinner.
Sleep.
Children need plenty of sleep.
Dream.
I had a wonderful dream.
Morning.
Good morning. How are you?
Afternoon.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Evening.
We take a walk in the evening.
Night.
Good night. Sleep well.
Excellent job.
Today you learned another 100 English words.
Practice these words every day.
Listen, repeat, and speak with confidence.
Thank you for learning with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss our next English lesson.
We'll see you in day 3.
Goodbye and happy learning!